Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to print your W2 and W3 forms in QuickBooks Online. Let's say, what exactly are these two forms? What is a W2 form? A W2 form is a tax document that employers give to their employees. It shows total wages earned during the year, federal, state, and local taxes withheld, Social Security and Medicare deductions, and who gets it? Employees, and employees use it to file their personal tax return. Important to know, every employee must receive a W2. It must be provided by January 31 each year. What is W3 form? A W3 form is a summary form for all W2s. It shows total wages for all employees, total taxes withheld, total reported from all W2 forms combined. Who gets it? Social Security Administration, not given to employees. Important to know, one W3 is submitted per business. It acts as a cover sheet for all W2s. Quick difference, W2 for employees, W3 summary for the government. Now let me tell you exactly how to print your W2 and W3 form. Step 1. Log in and go to Payroll. Log in to QuickBooks Online. On the left menu, click Payroll, then select Payroll Tax. Step 2. Open Tax Forms. Under Payroll Tax, click Forms. Choose Annual Forms. Find W2 and W3. Step 3. Select the tax year. Choose 2026 as the tax year. Click View or Prepare. Step 4. Review employee info. Before printing, check employee names, social security numbers, wages, and taxes. If anything looks wrong, fix it first. Do not print yet. Step 5. Print W2 forms. Click Print W2s. Choose employee copies for employees, employer copies for your records. Use plain white paper. QuickBooks formats it correctly. Click Print. Step 6. Print W3 form. Go back to W2 and W3 section. Select Print W3. This form is for Social Security Administration. Print and keep it with your records or file it if required. Important notes. You can also download PDFs instead of printing. W3 is not given to employees. Deadline to file W2 and W3 is January 31, 2026. If you e-file through QuickBooks, printing may not be required. And that is it. This is how you print your W2 and W3 forms in QuickBooks Online for 2026. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.